For every meeting in Hugo, you can create two types of documents. One is your meeting preparation, the other is your meeting note. But why are they different? Why are there two? Well, preparing for a meeting is a distinct and different activity from note-taking. Preparation is all the things that happen before the meeting, and the things you need to do for a productive meeting are ensure the meeting has an agenda, assign any tasks, things that need to happen before the meeting, and share that content with other attendees in advance. Hugo wants to help you do all this to make your meetings as successful as possible before they even start. And if you do those three things, you'll have a really productive meeting and much better outcomes at the end of your meeting. So meeting preparation in Hugo enables that workflow. This is similar but distinct from taking notes in a meeting. So for example, preparation in Hugo will tell you if you've prepared for your meeting yet. If not, you'll be encouraged to do so. When an agenda is set, it's automatically shared with other users on your team who are at that meeting. Preparation also provides you with a way to share the agenda with others by adding a link to your calendar event. And if there are any tasks to be done before the meeting, you can do that here too. All of these features are optimized for you to take place before the meeting starts. As for the other document, your notes, well, the job you're doing with your notes is to capture what was discussed and decided in your meeting. So since you've prepared for your meeting, it's going to be easier to have a great set of discussions and decisions. Now, when the meeting happens, if you have an agenda, it will automatically be imported and you can fill it out with your notes. As decisions and actions happen, you can capture those, whether that be as tasks in Hugo or through third-party integrations with your project tools or CRM for tickets and tasks. And then you can share those notes with others as well. And that's when integrations like Slack come into play. You may even want to prepare for the next meeting while you're still in this one, adding a reminder to follow up on something. All these actions are right there for you. So I hope that explains why having these two separate documents for any given meeting is useful. The workflow built into Hugo is here to help, not create more work. And if you run your meetings the Hugo way, you'll soon find that having successful meetings feels like second nature.